Okay, so today we're going to produce an infographic. So here is an example of an infographic. I'll admit it's not the greatest infographic in the world, but it is an infographic. If we have a look at some of the elements on here, you'll see that there are a couple of charts. There's a bar chart, and then we've got a couple of pie charts here as well. So we're using Adobe Illustrator, and we're actually going to draw our graphs in Illustrator. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this one here, which is a bar chart. So we're just going to move this out of the way a little bit so I can draw on this blank screen here. So the first thing we need to do if we're going to draw a chart is find the chart tool. So we have got a menu bar here, a palette, and if we come down we can see that there's a little pie graph tool here, and we can actually change this to different tools depending on what we want. So if I click on that and then click over here, it will give me a size of my graph. So I'm just going to leave that for now, and you'll see that it's come up with a pie chart. So depending on what type of chart you want to draw, line graph or bar chart, you need to do your values for your data going down here, and then numbers next to them. If it's a pie chart, you need to do your category values across the top. So I'm just going to put in some things here. So this is ways in which we could access the internet. So we can do PC, we can have mobile, we can have tablets. I'm just going to put in other. Obviously, if we make a mistake, like I should have really put a capital letter in there, we can quickly change it. And then I'm just going to put some numbers in. So let's say that's 50, let's say 60 there, 10 and 20. And then when we're ready, we just have to click apply here, and it will draw a pie chart. So it's drawing us quite a groovy little graph there. However, that is not really what I want. So what we need to do is use the top selector here. We click on it, and then we need to go to Object, and we need to go to Graph, and we need to go to Graph Type, and then we get a selection that we can pick from here. So I actually want a stacked bar, like so. Now, the thing with the infographics is that we tend not to have the menu bars on. So if I want to get rid of the menu bars on here, what I need to do is very simply get the side selector, which is this one here, the direct selection tool, and I click on here, and then if I go over to colours, I can actually select no colour, and if that doesn't work, which is what I'm doing today, I can make it white, and then with a bit of luck it should disappear. Unfortunately it's not doing that, so I'll have to do it over in the corner here, and it's actually the line we want there, and then I'll just make it disappear by selecting no stroke, and there we go, it's gone. And I can do the same over here and make sure it's on stroke, select no stroke, and it's gone, and there we go. If I want to change the colours of the bars, again using the sub selector, I click on them, and then if I run over to my colours, I can select from a palette of colours here, or if not, remember I've got to do fill as well as stroke. If that's not enough colours, then I can go up and I can pull out more colours from here. So that is how we draw a graph in Adobe Illustrator. Once we've got our graph drawn, we may want to make it larger or smaller. I said not to worry about the size, because what we can do is we can select it with the selection tool, and then we can do transform by right clicking, and we can go to scale, and I can scale it down or up. In this case I'm going to scale it down by about 70%, click OK, and there we have a graph, which we can now put into our infographics. I'm just going to scroll along and bring our infographic back. Oops. And I can pop that chart in like so. And if it's still a little bit too big, all I need to do is transform, scale it down another 70%, and it fits nicely into our infographic. There we have it.